In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Facebook Marketplace followers. Whether you're a frequent seller or just curious about your followers, keeping track of this information can be incredibly valuable. So, let's dive into the process, which is both straightforward and quick. First, what you'll need to do is open up Facebook. This can be done either through your web browser or by using the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook's homepage, you'll want to draw your attention to the menu, often found on the left-hand side of your screen if you're on a desktop, or in the mobile menu if you're on your phone. Within this menu, look for the Marketplace icon. It typically resembles a little shop, and clicking on it will take you directly into Facebook's Marketplace section. Once you're in the Marketplace, your next step is to find and select the Selling tab. This is your access point to the area where you manage items you've listed for sale. The Selling section provides an overview of all the items you're currently selling, as well as those you've sold in the past. Go ahead and click on that option. After you've opened the Selling section, the next step is to find the Insights option. This section is particularly useful as it offers detailed analytics related to your listings. From here, you'll have the opportunity to see how your items are performing in terms of views and interactions, which is great for assessing what kind of listings are drawing the most attention. Click on Insights to proceed. Once you're in the Insights area, you'll be able to see various data points, but most importantly, this is where you can view your marketplace followers. This information is critical as it gives insight into the audience that is consistently engaged with your listings and also indicates potential buyers who are interested in the type of items you are selling. Knowing your followers can help you tailor your listings to better meet their preferences, potentially increasing sales. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through to see who is following you on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, keeping track of your followers doesn't just satisfy curiosity. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your sales strategy. By understanding your followers, you can tailor your listings to better engage your audience and increase your sales potential. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Don't hesitate to explore these features further and leverage the insights to optimize your presence on Facebook Marketplace. Have a great day.